Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today, I'm going to show you how to publish an app in Google Play Store, your Google Play console. If you have actually created an app and then it's outdated, you want to remove, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, I'm going to search for traffic. Okay, I just created a new app, so I want to delete this whole app, which I did many years ago. So I'm going to go into this app. First, find your app and then you go inside your app. Okay. It's very old already. Listed. Very old. And just go to this section called Test and Release. Test and Release. And then go to Advanced Setting. There you go. Publish and Unpublish. Just click Unpublish. Yeah, then your app will become unpublished. People cannot find your app. Okay. Yeah, and then if you want to delete, you can actually delete it. Yeah, so this will be, I know it's not eligible. Sometimes you'll be eligible to delete. So you have to see whether the delete button is available or not. Just click on Unpublish, okay? Unpublish, right? And that's it. And let's see whether my app is it unpublish. Okay. Okay, showing production. It's in production, but it's actually not live. Okay, let's view on Playstore. It's not available. Okay, so my app is no longer available. Okay, this app. Yeah, I basically created a new one, this one. So waiting for it to be reviewed. By Google, I just submitted ready for review. Okay, if you want to learn more about app submissions, you can watch my channel, follow my channel, subscribe to my channel. Right now, you see this is in review. When it's down here, it shows review, but over at the app sections, it's not showing in review. Okay, but it's actually in review already. So there's actually a bug issue even in Google. Okay. So yeah, just click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to submit your app in Google Play Store. My next video is likely to be how to submit the app. Okay, and any other issues on app submissions and all that. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.